Hi guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Fluid Art Express. Before me, you would have seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After me, we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Then Shannon from shanB Fluid Art. Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. And last but not least, the amazing Tony and Kat from Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So, stay on board and enjoy the ride. So, today, my lovely friend Shannon has decided to throw us a challenge, and we have to use brown. Yeah, brown.
Say it again.
Brown.
And you love it.
Yes.
Good boy.
Brown town. Pretty good town, mate. So, using brown, I'm going to use brown. It is a Pebbio brown and an eye candy carob brown, just so that there's brown in it. I've got myself here a MDF heart that I've cut out. Pillow paint is British Paint's Low Sheen interior wall paint used here in Oz. So, here's my Mr. Hanky Brown.
Mr. Hanky Brown, really?
Yeah, you know Mr. Hanky from South Park? Howdy ho, children. That's the one. Usually only comes out at Christmas time, but today's the day. Alright, so let's put some of this mud brown down.
No. Positive. Mr. Hanky Brown.
Mr. Hanky Brown? Actually, yeah, I could have done an embellishment of Mr. Hanky on here when it's dry.
You still can.
I don't think I'll have enough time. It's going to take ever for this mud to dry.
You are being positive about this because you love it.
I do love brown. Mostly. Okay, so here we go with the carob brown. Because, you know, brown.
Just saying, shanB, I love you for this. If only you could all see his face right now, it is an absolute ray of sunshine.
No doubt. Alright, so let's get some brown going. Then we have a coppery goldy colour.
Aldax.
Nox. That's what it is. Nox Gold by Perlex.
I still think it looks more copper.
So what I'm doing is actually using all the same colours as what Bubble's going to do. Just so that I could use up as much of this brown as possible. Okay, so we're going to go with a mint green. Oh, look at that prettiness. I like that. That's lovely.
Because it's not brown.
Guess it's not brown. The only thing that should come in brown is trees. But it's still fun.
What about chocolate cake?
Ooh.
Now you're positive.
Now I'm positive. I should have just done a chocolate cake. Why didn't I do a chocolate cake?
Because you would have eaten it.
I would have eaten it. Right, so I'm going to sprinkle a whole heap of green here. Because I love green too, apparently.
You let me pick them colours.
I did let you pick them colours.
I just thought that would top off Shan's challenge for you.
Okay, so we'll go with some Southern Ocean Blue, numero uno. Oh, that's a pretty blue. That one's by Matisse. And it is a tube paint. Mixed with my pouring medium, which you can see in the video I'll put up on the screen now. That's how I mix my pouring medium. Okay, so there's my blue, and we'll go with another Matisse, which is actually the exact same colour, just darker, which is Southern Ocean Blue. This is the third stage of it, which is a lot darker. Alright, go sprinkle some of that everywhere because, you know, it's lovely.
It's a Venom Garage favourite, isn't it?
It is. I just love this stuff.
Yep, we fight over this one.
We do.
Probably the only thing we ever fight about.
You've used all the blue. No, I haven't. Yes, I have. Alright, so there's my dark section at the back. Do you think we need more brown?
That is entirely up to you, my love.
Says no one ever.
You just did.
Maybe a bit more green.
More green?
Why not?
You are really going for gold today.
I am totally out of the box and you can't put me back in it. Check that out.
No one puts baby in a corner.
I know, right? Greens and browns. Who would have thunk it? Linda will be sitting there wetting herself right about now.
The lovely Linda.
Absolutely.
I love her. She's amazing.
Alright, so there's my luscious colours.
Did you use the Skyline? You need to have 5.
Dagnit. Okay, 5.
I'm watching, Shan. I'm watching.
I wasn't counting, sorry. My bad. My bad.
Today is the day Wombat sticks to the rules.
Apparently so. And I haven't even manipulated these colours either. The browns are what comes straight out of the pack, believe it or not. Okay, so there's all of the above colours. Gonna get my little swipe tool, which is little dude. Grab some selector beta, which is Amsterdam Oxide Black, mixed with Aussie Floetrol, roughly somewhere 3 or 4 to 1. Right, and I'm going to go all the way through Browntown. It's a pretty good town, mate.
You and your big Les.
Yeah, if anyone's seen the Big Les show,
They're giggling right now.
you'd be giggling right now. Alright, so we're going to put some white on here. And a little bit of black. Doo-doo. Like that. And then I'm just going to use white from here on in. That should give me a little bit of fluffy bits. All right. So, where is my skewer? There it is. Just drag some of this blue down into the Mr. Hanky. Like that. Alright. So we'll give that a bit of a tilt, a little bit of a stretch to move things around a little. Alright, pop some bubbles. Now don't worry about using a torch on paint. If you don't hold it in one spot, you're not going to set fire to it and burn it. Just keep it moving the whole time, and you'll be drama free. Alright, scrape some of this off here. Alright, we'll give it a spin, see what happens. I just got brown on my fingers, Carly.
Call you Skid Kid.
Skid Kid. I'm going to put that off center, just for giggles. See if I can launch it.
No.
Alright.
I'm actually digging that.
Now I don't want too much of that brown to come off, because Shannon will say I'm cheating. Won't you, Shan? So we'll just move that over here a bit. Get rid of some of this. This way I can gauge how much more paint's got to come off. Alright, so what we'll do is move that up a little. By doing that, it's going to stop the brown coming off, because the paints want to go the other direction that way. So we'll give it a little spin that way.
Just wow.
That'll move the blues up.
Doesn't that carob and Nox play beautiful together? Go on, admit it.
It does, it's gorgeous.
There it is, Shan.
Alright.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So now what we'll do is grab my little pooper scooper. It's a pooper scooper. Alright, put that one up. Give that a bit of a... We're going to wipe its bottom.
Absolutely. Nathan, the fine art instruction, taught us that.
Yep, so you got to always wipe its bottom with the pooper scooper.
Yes.
So...
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Spin that one out like that.
I'm keeping it.
Really, Bubbles? Like you haven't got enough. Okay, so guys, that is my entry for Shannon's challenge. What I'll do is I'll do a flyover of it, and you can have a good look at it that way. So we'll have that playing now for you. How cool is that? Who said you can't make browns look pretty?
Absolutely you can. That's beautiful. I love these dots.
They come out beautiful. I love it. Okie dokie. So, that is it from me today. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. That way you get to see all my videos as I release them. Kristey is up next. So if you click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the links that I'm putting in there. That way you can't get lost. Or if you're a member of Venom Paint Pouring by Venom Fluid Art on Facebook, I'll have a playlist in there. And you can click on the playlist and it just plays everybody on the Express today, one after another. That way you definitely can't get lost. Alright, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed. I definitely did. That was great. Alright guys, have fun, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.